Hey, this is Digital Dave doing another Bitcoin and cryptocurrency update. I want to talk about another place that we can spend cryptocurrencies. And my previous video, which I'll link below, I spoke about how a cryptocurrency called Digibyte that almost no one's ever heard of can be used to buy virtually anything that you can think of, virtually anything. Amazon, Nike, restaurants that we've all heard of, like Darden Group, Bahama Breeze, Outback Steakhouse. The list goes on and on. Apparel companies, Amazon, everything. Okay, just about everything. I don't want to say everything, just about everything. But there's another. People ask me, where can I buy gold and silver, or how I can spend Bitcoin to buy gold and silver. And I want to talk quickly about gold and silver. There's a bit of a polarity with gold and silver investors and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors. There's a little bit of debate about which is the better store of value, which is the better investment, et cetera, et cetera. And my answer is just invest in both. I think they're both great. I think precious metals are a great thing to have, and I think cryptos are a great thing to have. I think people that are just invested in cryptos should look at getting a little bit of gold and silver, and people that are just invested in gold and silver should definitely look at getting some Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies. Have both. Spread your risk, and you're going to be okay. So the site that I want to talk about that accepts Bitcoin, they don't accept 12 different cryptocurrencies like on my past video. There was a site called anchor-x.io where you can buy so many things. They accept 12 different cryptos. Now this site here, this precious metals dealer, which a lot of you, I know you've heard of, it's called APMEX. They accept Bitcoin. APMEX is one of the largest precious metals dealers in the world. Okay, American Precious Metals Exchange is what it stands for. They accept Bitcoin. Okay, they know the value of Bitcoin. They know how valuable it is, and they also know that it's the user base. People that have Bitcoin, they're going to be. They know that that's growing. They know it's growing exponentially. Okay, so the two currencies that they accept is Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And a lot of people that are new to crypto investing, and they might be a little confused about what Bitcoin Cash is. And there's a whole lot of details behind that. But Bitcoin Cash is basically in my opinion, an improved version of Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be, for small transactions, it's a bit expensive to use. It's a little bit slow. It's actually very slow if you're using Bitcoin for a point of sale. Now, Bitcoin Cash is an improved version of Bitcoin. It's 2 years old. There's the same amount of circulating supply, which will top out at 21 million. Existing supply is about 17 million coins that are circulating. Okay, Bitcoin Cash it's faster, it's cheaper, a better user experience. But and I don't want to split the camps up. There's people that like Bitcoin, the purists like Bitcoin, and there's people that like Bitcoin Cash because it's faster. I like Bitcoin Cash personally, but if you don't, that's fine if you like Bitcoin. The point is you can spend Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash at this very large precious metal. Sorry, I don't know what a metal is. Precious metal dealer called APMEX. Okay, so that tells you tells you the process of how you can use Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash to buy all their whole inventory of precious metals. That includes palladium, platinum, rare coins, anything, bullion, anything you think of, gold and silver, or precious metal related. Okay. So they accept up to $250,000 order you can pay with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. They also, here's a nice little bonus here. Here's a breakdown. So they spend, up to $250,000, they'll take Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. After that, credit card, bank wire, or PayPal. Don't ever use PayPal. I don't like PayPal. Okay, so get this. If you pay with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, APMEX offers a 3% cash discount by using these cryptos. That's awesome. Okay, not only is this another way that you can quote unquote cash out of your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Let's say there's a big, huge parabolic spike like we saw at the end of 2017. You say, okay, you kind of want to freeze your profits, or you want to take profits. What you can do is you can use that big spike to your advantage, and you can place an order and buy some gold, silver. Okay, that's this is the strategy of how you can totally leverage your wealth. So just keep this side in mind. Okay, it has all the details here. So the point is that APMEX takes Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, but that they're not the only one. There's a lot of big precious metals. I'm having trouble with that word. PM dealers. There's one called goldsilver.com, and a lot of people know who this company is and who Mike Maloney is. He's got some really good videos out on YouTube. I think it's called The Secrets of Money or something like that. Yeah, okay, so goldsilver.com, they accept Bitcoin and other cryptos as well. You got a nice little video about the process, and okay, has the breakdown of all those details about how you can use Bitcoin. And here we go again, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. They take both of these cryptos. Okay, that's great, guys. Another way is you got two major sites of how you can cash out of your cryptos, of your Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash into gold and silver. Okay, and both of these dealers, they deliver gold and silver right to your door. They don't keep it in some warehouse and send you a note that says you own this much, and then you don't really know what's going on. They send it to your door so you have possession of it, which I always recommend, to have possession of your own gold and silver and precious metals, and have possession of your own Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash as well. And that means that actually have it in your wallet. If you're going to buy it on Coinbase.com, most people just leave it there, and that's a bit dangerous because these exchanges get hacked. Bitcoin has never been hacked. Bitcoin Cash has not been hacked. It's these exchanges that can get hacked because they're very vulnerable. They can be a bit sloppy about security. And to be fair, the hackers, they know the value of these cryptos on the site, so they try their best. They get their best, guys and gals to try to hack these sites, and sometimes they succeed. But if you have your Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash in your own wallet on your phone, that's the much better way of doing that. And there's also rumors of hypothecation, like on Coinbase and these other exchanges, that you're only buying air. It says let's say you bought half a Bitcoin and it shows a half a Bitcoin balance in your account. That's just a digit. It doesn't mean anything until you actually pull that off into your own wallet. Then it means something. Once it's in your wallet, that's a true Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so two fantastic sites here that you can use to cash out of your Bitcoin. And I'm going to probably pull up another tab here. Just real quick here, so back to goldsilver.com. Yeah, so it's called Hidden Secrets of Money. A lot of you have seen it. If you haven't seen it, I recommend watching all of Mike Maloney's episodes. This first one here, he talks about what defines money. It says currency versus money. And, money needs to be portable, durable, divisible, and fungible. And gold and silver matches all these traits. However, I will say Bitcoin, in particular Bitcoin Cash, is even better money than gold and silver. And the reason why is that you have a bar of silver in your hand. How are you going to buy something if you're going to import a product from Indonesia? How are you going to send that silver over there, right? With Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, you can do it in just a couple of seconds. Bitcoin takes a few minutes. Bitcoin Cash gets there in about 2 seconds to the other wallet. It can be halfway across the world. It gets there in seconds. It's amazing. So I'm going to argue a little bit against Mike Maloney. I love this guy, by the way. I've been following him for more than a decade, and he's got some great videos. But I will say though that he's obviously in the business to sell his gold and silver, but he does know the value of accepting Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. He knows the value of cryptos. He is an investor himself. In some interviews I've seen of him before, he kind of downplays Bitcoin a little bit, but he's got a business. He has a business to run, and that is gold and silver, which it does compete with Bitcoin a little bit, but it shouldn't, because I think they should complement. I think everybody should have both of these assets, these type of assets in their portfolio. All right, so there's that. There's goldsilver.com, there's APMEX.com, and there's two great ways to buy gold and silver with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, yep, that's all I got here, guys. I really appreciate you watching the video, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, I would appreciate it if you shared it. And if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell for notifications, please do so, because there's a lot more content coming your way. Cheers. See you next time.